In this quick tutorial, I will show you step by step on how to delete all your search history on YouTube. A step-by-step tutorial guide. So let's meet. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about YouTube tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to delete your search history on YouTube and get more privacy from your YouTube search engine. So let's begin. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your YouTube app. So I'm going to click on here, YouTube. Then having opened up your YouTube app, next thing you want to do is to locate your profile picture right here. Click on that. Now the next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon at the top right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and locate Manage All History. So it takes you to this particular page right here. So there are two ways to delete search history on YouTube. One of the first way is to simply scroll down and locate the particular history you would like to delete. Let's, for instance, I want to delete this particular history right here. So what I need to do is to simply tap on the cross sign right here. So you can see it has been successfully deleted. So that is the one of the first way to delete history on YouTube. The second way to delete history on YouTube is to simply click on delete right here. Then you have different options right here. So delete today, delete costume range, delete all time. So we can simply click on delete today. This simply means that whatever you search today will be deleted and wiped away on YouTube, just like what you see right here. So we start from yesterday history. Okay, you can simply click on here again, delete. Then you have delete costume range. So if you click on costume range delete, this is where you need to set the date, the month that you want to actually delete, and click on next. Everything will be deleted. So let's simply close on that. So the very fourth option that you can use to delete your search history on YouTube is to simply go back to delete button right here. Then we can choose delete all time. So confirm you would like to delete following activities. This action will disable YouTube features that rely on YouTube search history, your personal experience, stuff like that. So you can simply click on here to delete all the history. Boom. So deletion complete. Simple as that. So this is how to delete your YouTube search history, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about YouTube topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.